Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add items on SquareUp. There are two ways to add items on SquareUp. You can do it through the SquareUp dashboard online or through the Square point of sale application. I'm going to show it to you on a web browser, so make sure to open a web browser of your preference. Type in squareup.com and press enter on your keyboard and make sure to log into your Square dashboard. After you are logged into your account, go to the left hand side of the screen and click on Items and Orders under All Products. Select Items from the option and on the next page, click on Create an Item. Now, make sure to fill in the necessary details for your item. Now, type in the name of your item that you are trying to create. Also make sure to type in a description for your item. After you are done typing in your description for the product, upload an image for your product, click the upload button and then it will take you to your device's library. Select one of the cover images for your item and after you are done uploading your picture, go ahead and select your location, the category, the variation for your product and other information. Finally, after you are done, click on Save at the upper right corner and this will be able to add a new item on SquareUp. So that is how you should be able to add an item on SquareUp in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.